we are introducing the SEAL team members' training and capabilities, highlighting their endurance and specialized skills. Welcome to the arena's midday entertainment. 10 convicts fan out, met with semi-automatic fire.
Drop your weapons!
The next wave has arrived. Professional gladiators, a Murmillo and a Retiarius. These are real killers, dedicated to close combat.
The next wave of 4 gladiators and an archer entering the arena from the Colosseum's gates.
Welcome back, viewers, to the Arena of Champions.
Our brave SEAL team members are holding their own, but not without cost. One operative has sustained a calf wound.
Let the military spectacle begin!
Each SEAL team member has 6 rounds of rifle ammunition remaining.
Each surviving SEAL team member has only 1 rifle magazine and a couple of pistol magazines left. 8-bet.
Get him!
Or what do you think would happen? Check out our other hypothetical video about a modern submarine fighting the Spanish Armada. Thanks for watching.
The possibilities are endless when different eras collide.
What other historical matchups would you like to see? Let us know in the comments below.
Until next time, stay curious.
But what about other ancient powers facing off against modern technology?
Imagine the unparalleled discipline of a Roman legion, unmatched for centuries. Now, pit that against the silent predator of the skies, a modern military drone. The Romans relied on scouts and messengers, but a drone offers unmatched intelligence. What if this airborne hunter met the might of Rome on an open battlefield?
The Lion Guard! Disciplined! Ready for the march!
Yet, from above, an unseen eye watches their every move, undetected.
This flying machine carries a payload capable of devastating strikes.
What happens when this unseen force unleashes its fury?
Legions, accustomed to ground warfare,
face a threat from above.
The drone successfully targets the encampment. As the figures react to the strikes, the system demonstrates its efficiency in neutralizing the threat.
Again, Reese Kayad is disoriented again. Yukang didn't escape guide. This got you home.
This one. Back to surprise, they questor mentashuel.
As we transition from the old ways to the new, a knowledge gap emerges. Our training focuses specifically on history. Observe how modern victory symbols now overlay ancient insignias. This illustrates the widespread global dominance achieved.
Here we see how quickly the landscape of warfare can shift. The inevitability of technological advancement dictates future conflict. Imagine the confusion of an ancient general confronting unseen, automated threats. The psychological kids. From ancient formations to modern combined arms, combat tactics continuously evolve. Thus concludes our hypothetical exploration of future warfare. The implications of these advancements are profound and ongoing. Imagine the advantage modern warfare offers. Totally. Now consider the stark limitations of ancient combat. Modern tactics deploy unseen forces, creating utter shock and awe. Our situational awareness is unparalleled. A single precision strike, minimal effort for maximum impact. Ancient power structures crumble, evolving into new forms. Advanced systems deploy across the globe, defining strategic points. Progress demands sacrifice, transforming our defenses. Technology shapes life and death, influencing every aspect of our existence. How will technological divides shape our future? Will these advancements build a brighter future or lead us down a path of ruin? Unchecked power can breed chaos, a global disruption that consumes all in its path. But technology also offers a connected future, where shared innovation fosters unity and progress. The choice is yours. Humanity's destiny rests on how we wield this immense power. Every decision shapes tomorrow, for the future is not found, but written by us today.